If a foreigner, what Chinese call Westerner, says 不好, they might say 不好. That's not good. It's 不好. So it's very easy to tell if somebody speaks Chinese as a native. You notice that I used the fourth tone for 不行 and 不好, and I used the second tone for 不要. That's very interesting. You don't say 不要. If you say 不要, that sounds like a foreigner, but a real Chinese would say 不要. 不行, nope. 不好, nope. 不要, don't do that. 不. Here are some of the characters with different tones. 步 meaning department. 步 step, walk. 布 fabric. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in future episodes of learning how to read, write, and sound.